Hello friends, how are you? My name is Muhammad Bilal and you are watching my YouTube channel Funka. Today we will discuss about the BTC spot 15 minute, 1 hour and 4 hours candle chart. In which we will discuss about the what will happen in the next move of BTC in spot buying, not the future, only for the spot because we are doing only sports buyings. In 15-minute chart, as we can see that you can see that the CCI data is 65.53 to minus 65.53 to minus 22.21, which shows the middle bearish momentum. If we are going for the Stoch RSI, the Stoch RSI shows that 54.86 to 65.60, which indicate the possible short-term pullback over continuously downward. So there is a 15-minute chart in which we will discuss about some things CC and Stoch RSI. Our next move is 4 hour chart. So if we will go about the 4-hour chart, what happened well about the 4-hour chart? You can see that the 4-hour chart also show the bearish momentum. In 4-hour chart, the CCI data is minus 143.00 to minus 69.28, which indicate that the market is stretched to the downside. It is clearly shown that. If we go, the storage RSI is near to 0. You can see that. If we will go, you can see that it is near to 0. It is near to 0 or 0.25. You can short it. Suggests that it is oversold but not trying yet up. So if we will go about 1 hour pattern chart, 1 hour, they also shows that the some bearish momentum. We will check what is the next step of the you can see that in 1 hour the candle start from this level to this level. You can see that, we can see, so we can analyze what is the next mode in which the CCI data of 1 hour chart still oversold region. It is about minus 36.17. So to minus 104.21. 104 still oversold region. It show that the still oversold region. If we go the storage RSI shows that it's 45.97. Okay, which indicates that bullish crossover side, early bullish sign. There is bullish sign. Okay, in 1 hour, but beware, the market goes downside. The interpretation, the overall trend in short term is bearish. In short term, shows bearish. The 1 hour and 4 hour chart shows that the potential execution in selling. They are showed at the selling. Okay, you can see that there is minus. You can this minus. This shows that the oversold area. You can see that. If we will go to the 15-minute chart, if we will again go the 15-minute chart, it shows that the low, where is it, overnight is little bit slow, so we will wait. We can see that, yeah, we can see that area, that area, that area, that area, that, this one, and this one, and this one. Show that the local rejection, huh? The 15-minute chart shows that the local rejection. So any bound could face resistance quickly. 1,14,000 to 1,14,200. Okay. What is our next step? Our next step is that if the BTC breaks down 1,14,700, its next move is its next move is 4 hour. According to our 4 hour, if the BTC broke the line of 1,14,700, okay, with volume, the next key spot is 1,13,800 to 1,14,000. 1,14,000. Okay. Keep the data on CCI and storage RSI. If it didn't recover soon, the drop may be continued. Okay, so keep the eyes on that things. If they are not recovered soon, the market will be bearish. Okay, so what over next? Wait for the bullish stock RSI cross on 4 hour pattern chart and claim the resistance of 1,15,500. So there is a resistance. If that will go from the upside, then we will show that that's a bullish. Otherwise, it's a bearish. You can take a short trade. Okay. So that's our stock analyze on BTC 15 minutes and 4 hours and 1 hour chart. So if you like our video, you will subscribe and follow our channel. Thank you.